Comparing Hindu Panchanga with Gregorian calendar. Hindu Panchanga.
Based on sun and moon cycle.
Gregorian calendar.
Based on Earth's orbit around sun.
Hindu Panchanga.
Introduced by Indians.
Gregorian calendar.
Introduced by Pope Gregory.
Months according to Hindu Panchanga.
ಚೈತ್ರ ವೈಶಾಖ ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ ಆಷಾಢ ಶ್ರಾವಣ ಭಾದ್ರಪದ ಆಶ್ವಯುಜ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ ಮಾರ್ಗಶಿರ ಪುಷ್ಯ ಮಾಘ ಫಾಲ್ಗುಣ.
Months according to Gregorian calendar.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Hindu Panchanga.
New Year start from Chaitra Masa.
Gregorian calendar.
New